the human rights to a speedy trial. In conflict zones, the judiciary must remain a bulwark against executive overreach, and the bar must demonstrate the courage to document and litigate violations, upholding the principles of accountability under intense pressure. Finally, we must be rigorous in maintaining professional ethics and independence, ensuring that the pursuit of justice is never compromised by corruptions or political expediency. This is our shared destiny. The synergy between the bench and the bar is the lifeblood of our democracy. The judiciary must continue to be bold and expansive in its interpretation of constitutional rights. The bar must remain courageous, accessible, and ethical in its democracy. Let us commit to these collective responsibilities to ensure that the scale of justice always balanced in favor of human dignity, reaching from the highest chambers of Supreme Court to the most remote tribal council of Arunachal Pradesh. Well, before I part with, मैं कुछ एक दो शब्द हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा। आप लोग हर हमेशा सोचते हैं ये वकील लोग जो है ना केस करते रहते सिर्फ फीस कमाते हैं, अपने लिए ही करते हैं, लेकिन आज तक आप लोग को ये पता नहीं चला कि हम वकील अरुणाचल के लिए कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। मैं इसको अंग्रेजी में बोलना चाहूँगा। I have written it down this morning while drafting the speech. I could not say no to Mr. Tagore. He is very close to my heart. I said yes, मैं बोलूँगा आके. Before parting with any sense of self-importance and acknowledge the gravity of safeguarding constitutional values and governance accountability, I reflect on my practice as an advocate who led constitutional matters shaping governance and rights protection in our state, challenging the Parliamentary Secretary Act 2007. How many of you know the post of parliamentary secretaries at relevant point of time? Can you raise the hands? कितना लोग जानते हैं? So that was the serious case where I argued and I got struck down the parliamentary secretary post in Arunachal. My life was I was under threat for many years because the politicians were after me. Anyway, the Constitution of the State Human Rights Commission, my brother Anthony is here. It is the PIL that I have argued. Because of that, this State Human Rights Commission has been constituted. The Lok Ayukta, which my lord is heading, is also a case argued by me. Because of the court's direction, these commissions were constituted. I think my younger sister, Madam Anya Ratan, is there. The State Child Rights Commissions. That case was also argued by me. By virtue of the directions of the court, I think you are heading the second commission, right? Okay, good. Now finally, the most important commission that I got established through the court is the Police Accountability Commission. That was based on the Prakash Singh Badal judgment in 1996. The state government was never constituting the state police accountability commissions. So इसलिए अभी आप सबों को ये मैं दरख्वास्त करेगा, आप किसी इंस्पेक्टर के अगेंस्ट में या डीएसपी के अगेंस्ट में आप सुपरिंटेंडेंट पुलिस को कंप्लेन नहीं करेंगे, आप पुलिस कंप्लेन अथॉरिटी में दायर करेंगे। एंड ये जजमेंट का थ्रू से आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट में भी आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस कंप्लेन कमीशन अथॉरिटी है। नो मोर गोइंग टू द एसपी, डीआईजी, आईजी, उसके पास जाने का नहीं है आपको। You will have to resort to those commissions. Then that is basically there was a large scale corruptions in the police department, which came to my mind. चलो मैं कर ही डालता हूँ. And finally, my lord, the most important case that I argued, मैं कप रहा था. आपको याद है 2018 में पंचायती राज इलेक्शन का टेन्योर खत्म हो चुका था. अरुणाचल गवर्नमेंट इसको कंडक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. और मेरे खिलाफ में जो एडवोकेट था, एडवोकेट जनरल निलय दत्ता सर था, रेवर्ड निलय दत्ता सर, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में वो एक माना हुआ लीगल डायन था। मैंने सोचा तारा तुम तो गए आज इनके सामने, तो क्या क्या ये संघात तजीक वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मतलब 2018, मैंने 3 दिन आर्ग्यू किया इस केस में। उसके बाद दत्ता सर 3 दिन किया, देन 1 day फॉर द रिजॉइंडर, 3rd day 7 days आर्ग्यूमेंट करके आर्टिकल 243 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मैंडेट है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट आप खेल नहीं सकते। देन फाइनली आई वोन द केस। द गवर्नमेंट filed the read appeal before the division bench, that was rejected, dismissed, and finally they went to the Supreme Court, the SLP was dismissed. So finally इसके लिए पंचायती राज इलेक्शन हुआ. So that was how the story of the पंचायती राज, and that is the latest contribution. No, my lord, that see, आप ये मत सोचिए कि मैं ऐसे किया, हम वकील ऐसा भी करते हैं, हम वकील ऐसा भी करते हैं, हम फीस के लिए सिर्फ नहीं करते। Concluding, my aim has been to strengthen the balance between executive authority and oversight, enhance rights protections, and promote transparent, accountable governance. Where jurisprudence intervened, it clarified authority and reinforced independent oversight, contributing to a governance environment that respects citizens, upholds constitutional guarantees, and inspires public trust. I remain committed to these principles in partnership with all branches of the government, civil society, and people we serve. Thank you once again, Mr. Tago, for inviting me, and I hope this morning in 15, maybe in 1 hour, 10 minutes, I have written down my speech. So I could not brought any PowerPoint presentation. I hope, मैं विश्वास करता हूँ, आशा रखता हूँ कि मेरे ये कुछ डेलिब्रेशन से आपको कुछ इनलाइटन हुआ होगा कि हम एडवोकेट्स, अरुणाचल के वकील, हम भी किसी से कम नहीं है और हम कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं और सरकार को हम कितने चेक एंड बैलेंस में रखते हैं। As a president of the Bar Association, I know how my member does, and my lordship, after retirement, he also knows how the bar and the bench, because they have a power from the bench. The universal saying is, a good advocate always gives a good judgment. Therefore, we are known as the officer of the court, and they are the judicial officers. With this, thank you, Brother Tago, once again for this opportunity, and the commission is very lucky to have my sister Mama Tang. She worked with me as additional PP for long 8 to 9 years when I was Additional Advocate General of Arunachal during President rule, and I was in charge Advocate General of Arunachal Pradesh for a period of 1 month. Thank you so much. You must utilize that. Once again, बच्चों को मेरा शुभ प्यार, and thank you for listening me out. Thank you, all of you.